Hello YouTubers, I'm just making a video of me and my brother, and we're doing the fail video that there's the Superman in real life one. The one that you people know about. Or maybe you don't know about, I don't know. Okay, so first it's
Superman, you cannot defeat me. I have kryptonite.
This is a Superman in real life one. This is me that just stole the kryptonite. Because since this is Superman in real life, it doesn't hurt him. It does. What? Stupid rock. Yeah. I'm gonna fly. Ouch. Yeah, that's it, and goodbye, people.